In this lesson, I'll cover atomic classes. An atomic class ensures the execution of a thread without interruption from another thread. So this means threads attempting to access shared data will have to wait until the atomic operation is completed. Atomic classes are great because they protect data, ensure data accuracy, and prevent race conditions. One thing to note is that atomic classes do not synchronize threads, and this means threads may not necessarily be executed in order. Atomic classes from the Concurrency API are atomic integer, atomic long, and atomic boolean. And examples of atomic methods are get, set, get and set, increment and get, decrement and get and increment, and get and decrement. In this coding task, we will use an atomic class to prevent a race condition. So I put an info card link at the top to a coding task that demonstrates a race condition. So I'd like you to complete that task first before attempting this coding task. So here I have the thread pool code that generates a race condition. So you see in my output here that I have two identical numbers indicating that there are two threads executing at the same time. Another thing that I've done is reduced the thread pool size to 5 so that I have fewer threads competing for the same task. So let's go and add the atomic integer class. So let's replace int with atomic integer. And now let's come here and replace 0 with new atomic integer, and in the parentheses pass 0. Now let's go here and get rid of the plus, and we'll use count to call the atomic method increment and get. So type dot increment and get. Let's run our program, and you'll see that I no longer have duplicate numbers because of this atomic integer and this atomic operation here. So we can run this multiple times, and you see that we no longer get any duplicates, indicating that the threads are not interrupting each other and showing that the atomic integer has done its work of preventing the race condition. That is it for the lesson. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the next one.